Hey guys, my name is Safira and it's been a while since the last time I've posted a hair video, so if you are new here, welcome. My name is Safira. I'm back to my regular scheduled program. I went on summer vacation with my family, and if you haven't seen it already, I vlogged my experience, so go check that out after watching this video, of course. Now going back to this video, like the title already says, I'm gonna be cutting some layers in my hair myself. It's been a while since the last time I've done this, so yeah, it's that time again. And I also found the perfect technique to make it easy for yourself to put layers in your curly hair, so that's why I decided to film and show you as well. First step is fully detangling my hair, and I'm doing this section by section, spraying it with some water before going in with my wide tooth comb. I didn't add any detangling lotions or spray or anything since I started on an old wash and go, so the water is basically just going to reactivate the product that was in my hair, and that way I can detangle my hair without adding any more products. Now take your time with this part, don't be too rough while combing your hair, and start at the bottom of your hair, then work your way up while detangling. This way you can try to prevent unnecessary breakage. Okay, now time for the exciting part. First, you want to gather all your hair to the front of your head and tie it up into a tight ponytail. And this technique is called the unicorn cut, and you can already see why. Then I brush through the ponytail and make sure my hair is all smooth, and I add another hair tie at the bottom. Now you can use this second hair tie as a guide as to where you want to cut, but I decided to cut a little bit underneath the hair tie since I was scared. Now make sure you have good hair cutting scissors. Don't use kitchen or like the normal paper type scissors. We got these from Amazon, so please invest in good scissors before you even attempt cut your own hair. If you don't, you could get a lot of split ends and your hair might end up looking uneven, so save yourself the heartache and just buy good scissors. Now when you decide where you want to cut, just go for it and cut straight across. Now you see me, I'm a little scared, so I didn't cut that much, and looking back while editing this video, I definitely could have cut a little bit higher, especially in the next two layers that I did. But yeah, just look at your hair and decide for yourself how you want your end results to be. I do recommend starting off with cutting just little pieces and checking constantly if you like it, instead of just cutting a big chunk at once and then being disappointed. Now for the next layer, I sectioned my hair from ear to ear and then just did the same thing, unicorn ponytail in the front with two hair ties and just cutting a little bit off. After that section, I went in one more time, a little bit more to the front, and again repeating the same steps.
I got it, do it. I your body, as long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can lose when I'm with you.
After cutting, I combed all my hair back and checked it from every angle possible to see if I wanted to change anything, and I did. I wanted more volume in the back, like at the crown part of my hair, so I just took that section and basically just cut a little bit off again.
In the top side right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like the waves with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had to, yeah, it was magic, yeah. Smashing grabs, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here.
Here you can see all the hair that I cut, and like I said, I definitely could have cut a little bit more, especially from the layer sections. But yeah, maybe next time. I'm still happy with the way it turned out, so I'm good. Then I went ahead and washed my hair, so now it's time for styling. I used this Scala hair product, and I have a full video dedicated to this product alone, so if you want to see that, I will link it in the description or on this video, but you'll see it basically. Now I'm not gonna do an in-depth styling routine since that's not what this video is about, so I just sped this part up. So enjoy watching.
I think
these are my end results. The curls are looking very juicy and nice. I love the way my hair curls whenever it's been freshly cut. It brings me an unexplainable type of joy to know that my hair is healthy and flourishing again. I think it's time for me to stop talking. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you go, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.